So, how is the general Kashmiri feeling today, sir, after 2 years of abrogation of the Article 370 and 35A? So, how is the general Kashmiri feeling, sir? Do they feel that this is a welcome development, or do they still feel that the 370 and 35A should return?
See, Sudhakar ji, the fact of matter is that uh, we need to understand that the constitutional ambiguity of last 70 years has brought some kind of a psychological, sentimental links of people of Kashmir, especially with the so-called special status or temporary provision. So that more or less was an emotional issue than a practical issue, and therefore the provision, the temporary provision in the constitution, unfortunately, that state in the process up to 1990 they recognized the subnationalism of Kashmir as nationalism, and ultimately which shifted to soft separatism and separatism as well. And you all know that from last 30 years, Kashmir is ailing because of multiple perspectives that were blown from Pakistan as well, and the radical component of Kashmir as well. So therefore, telling you very honestly today that there is a constituency who is still alive in Kashmir who are working on best of the other enemy countries. But still, one thing is very apparent that the majority of the people of Kashmir, I talk specifically of the Kashmiri Muslims, we believe that 80% of the Kashmiri Muslims were psychologically hostaged to the environment created by the ultras, radicals in Pakistan.
Yes.
And now, after the abrogation of Article 370, the sealed lips have started opening. They have started taking the fresh breath.
That's a very welcome development. But then, how do you see Congress stalwart Digvijay Singh's statement yesterday that if Congress is voted back to power, it will reconsider, it shall or it will consider the issue of reopening the Article 370 and bringing it back? How do you look at it, sir?
We see the development, local development in the country, where the Congress is not a national party, it is not now a regional party as well. So claiming with a tall claim is an absurd way of looking at Kashmir, and the emotional connect that whole nation has built up with the after the abrogation of Article 370. So there is a huge pleasure all around the country and the world that the ambiguity in the this constitution of India,
Yes, sir.
uh, which has put India to challenges both on the national fora and international fora, has been the controversial classes has been removed. So the nation will tell the Congress and the Digvijay Singh that this is not possible. That whole country will rebel against Congress or anybody, any political party who will even deem to think to revive Article 370. That is my observation.